Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the display. Now let's find the wallpaper section. And as you can see here, we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so the gallery, which contains of course our own photos, and the wallpapers which are pre-installed. So let me tap on this option. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. Right now we've got this one option applied. All you have to do to check the preview is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and you'd like to check how it looks like. And basically, if you're happy with your choice, now you can decide where you want to set it. So either the desktop, lock screen, or both. So simply mark both options and tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. As you can see, we've got this information, and after getting back, we should see the applied wallpaper. Just give it a time. Alright, we've got it. So that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.